Yeah. Uh-huh. What? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. 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 Oh, okay. Yeah. Amen. Yeah. Yeah. July 23rd. Uh-huh. What else? What else do you want to pray about? Pray for Daddy. And your cousins. Yeah. 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 Because they're going to the DR on Monday? Yes. Pray for their safety. For lives to be changed. Oh no, that's a cry. Oh, okay. There we go. Uh-huh. Yeah, look at that smile. Yeah. And what does your shirt say? It says His creation. Oh goodness. Kisses? I love you. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Are you farting? Uh-huh, you're farting. Oh, you're so funny. You're so funny. And now you're crying because it's nap time.